Are you looking to build your Shopify store but have absolutely no idea what theme to choose from? In this video, I'll be going through 3 of my favorite free Shopify themes to choose the right theme for your online store. Hi, I'm Alicia, and this is my YouTube channel. Here, I share tips, tricks, and information to help you build, launch, and grow your online business, giving you the flexibility to work from home, doing the things you love with the people you love. So if you're new to Shopify and starting your online store, you may be going through all the themes and thinking, oh my gosh, which one do I choose? There are Shopify's free themes, and then there are paid themes, and there's hundreds of thousands of choices, and you're just thinking, oh, I just need help choosing one. It can be debilitating and stop you from even moving forward with your online store. So to help you through the fog, I'll be going through 3 of my favorite free Shopify themes to help you get started today. Okay, so if we go to shopify.com.au and have a look at their themes, we'll just scroll down here and you can see that there's all these different themes, and these are themes that are created by Shopify. They've all got different styles and functionalities, but today we're just going to go through 3 of these, so that way you can just pick one and get started. So the first theme I'll be going through today is the Brooklyn theme. So let's just go to that now. So here we've got the Brooklyn theme. The Brooklyn theme is a great beginner theme and a perfect base to start your online store on. I've actually built a few stores now with the free Brooklyn theme, and it's been great for me. The thing about the Brooklyn theme and all of the other themes I'm going to mention here in this video is that they are built on a solid foundation that can be easily customized without compromising the function and style of your store. This theme is a great starter store for those who are launching something like maybe a fashion or apparel store. It also comes in 2 different theme colors, classic and playful. So we've got the classic here and the playful. Okay, so let's just have a look at the demo, and I'll go through some of the features that I like in this template. So you'll just click free demo, view demo here. I've just got it open in this tab. So this is the classic Brooklyn theme. So as soon as the store is loaded, you're going to see this impressive header feature slideshow, which is a perfect place to highlight your brand and your product imagery. So here you would add a few different images to show off your products and wow your potential customers from the get-go. So you can just click these arrows here to go through them. It also comes with this button here, so you can go straight to shop the collection. If you slide down, you can add some text here. And then also feature your collection. So this is an apparel store, so we've got the men's, women's collection, bags, outdoor, home, and these will take you to the collection of those products. So scrolling down again, you can actually add some of your featured products. So maybe your popular products or your best sellers and highlight them here. So, you know, people can just quickly click on it, add it to their cart. Also, if we scroll to the top here and we click on the shopping cart, you'll notice that the cart slides out from the side. This means your customer can view their cart without having to leave the current page that they're on. It does say that the current cart is currently empty, but if you had some products in here, they would come up. And so that means that people don't have to navigate out of the page that they're on. They can just stay wherever they are and just quickly view their cart and then just close it off when they no longer need it. Let's go have a look at one of the product pages now. We'll just click up here. We'll just go women's. Let's just click on this pullover. So this is what the product page looks like. Here you'll see the title, the price. You can select your sizes here. When it's crossed out like that, it actually means that it's sold out. But you would be able to select these products here, these sizes. You can add it to your cart, and then you've got your description below. And then it's also got all the images. So you can just scroll down, view all the images, and then just your footer at the bottom here. Let's just go back to the home here. So there you go. That is my first favorite free theme, the Brooklyn. A great all-rounder, perfect to start on, customize it to suit your needs. The next thing we're going to have a look at is the narrative theme. Narrative is the theme I used for my online store, Love Cocoa Bowls. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out, so you can see how I modified it to suit my needs. So this theme is perfect for those who have a small catalogue of products or own a one product style business. Also, this theme comes preloaded with a video banner on the home page, which is a great place to upload a video that highlights your brand. Like the Brooklyn theme, the narrative theme has 3 different styles you can choose from. So we've got warm, light, and cold. So let's just go through warm. We've got light, so it's a little bit more brighter, and then we've got cold. So let's take a look at the live demo and go through some of the features I like about this theme. So upon loading, you will see this impressive banner, which has this interactive menu at the bottom here. So you can actually select these. So let's just click on one of these now. So when you click this button, it actually pops up with this View More button. And let's just click on that now. And what it does, it actually redirects you to that product page. Great, huh? Also, I love how the product page is laid out with a focus on the product images. So right at the top here, you've got this big product image, and then the description is below. So really front and center is your impressive product. Then they go into the details below. Obviously the add to cart now or buy it now button. Okay, let's just go back to the home page. Let me just do that by clicking this logo at the top. So you'll also notice that the menu is a little bit different here on this theme. You'll notice here to the left, we've got this hamburger menu. So let's just click that there. So when you click it, the menu will collapse. And the benefit of having the menu hidden means that the template is more focused on the product and brand rather than the site's navigation. So when you have like a one product store, the product and brand is what you really want to highlight. So you want to click out of here and the menu isn't in the way. We've got this lovely image here. We've got a description of what's being sold, and then just, this little feature menu down here. So let's just scroll down. So here again, you can have your image with a little bit of a description to the side. Be a great place to put, maybe a little bit of information about your brand. And we'll scroll down here. So like I previously mentioned, the most impressive part of this template is that you can upload your own video to this banner on your homepage. This would be a great place to show off your brand, maybe some of the features of your product. So you could just press that play button and then your video will load. We'll just keep scrolling down. We can also see that this theme is preloaded with the option to offer gift cards to your customers. It's great if your product serves well as a gift. So you can go straight to the buy now and it'll take you to where you can purchase a gift card. Let's just go back. All right, let's just scroll towards the bottom because there's one more feature I love about this theme. Lastly, one of my favorite features of this theme's homepage is this dynamic scroll feature. It just gives the site a nice feeling and flow. So what happens is the left image here will stay as is, and then this right side will actually scroll. So what you could do is, if you've got like a one product store that has potentially different colors like this product, this is where you could highlight them, and it's just a great way to show off your product. Again, just showing one of the products here, and then towards the bottom we've got our footer. So there you have it, there's the narrative theme. So the next free theme I would recommend for anyone starting with Shopify is the debut theme. This theme has been specifically designed to showcase your brand and products. Again, like the other two themes, you can choose between two styles, the default and the light. So we've got default here and the light. The debut theme is one of Shopify's most popular themes and perfect for people who are just starting with launching their first online store or have a small catalog of products. So let's dive into this live demo and check out some of the features I love about the debut theme. So just like the Brooklyn theme, you can see this large scroll banner here where you can upload your most impressive brand or product images. Also the Shop Now button here and this little navigation towards the bottom so you can scroll through those images. If we scroll below the banner, you'll see here again another image with some information and a section here to add your featured product. So it's front and center of your homepage, enticing your potential customers to purchase and find out more about it. Just below the featured product, you'll see a section to add your customer testimonials. This will be a great place to even list some of your best product reviews. All right. And we scroll down, some more images here. And our featured collection section. Let's click on one of these products and check out the product page. As you can see, the product page is cleanly set out. We've got the images here to the left and then your description to the right with the Buy Now button. And if we scroll down here, another great feature is that the theme comes preloaded with this product recommendation section. This would be a great place to help increase the discoverability on some of your other products. It might be a great way to also recommend like products or potential add-ons, which will boost your average customer order value. So we've got that. You may also like here. And then we've got the matching products that would go with that. So let's just scroll to the top and let's go back to our home. So there you have it, just a few of the features that I like about the debut theme. Like I mentioned, a perfect starter theme. So I just want to mention a couple of additional features that I like about these themes. So these three themes are customizable, so you can feel free to change the fonts, the colors, and the styles as you please. You can delete or add any of the content sections of your homepage to make it look and feel the way that you want it to. All these themes are designed to be mobile friendly and are search engine optimized. Also, they come with the option to include your social media links, and they all have access to hundreds of free photos by this third-party application called Burst. So you can add these photos for free without any copyright issues to your homepage to make it look and feel just the way you want. So there you have it. That's 3 of my favorite free Shopify themes that you can start with today to get your online store up and running and start making those sales. So there you have it. There's 3 of my favorite free Shopify themes for beginners to get you started today. Do you have a favorite free Shopify theme that you've used in your business? Then feel free to talk about it in the comments below. And if you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe, as I'll be coming out with plenty more videos to help you start your online store. See you next time.